Ooh, look at that. Ooh.
Fuck. And we're live. Something like fuck this. We're making all these?
Yeah, absolutely. Every single one.
You think they're gonna taste like shit?
They very well could. There we go.
Dude, they're not bad.
Yeah, they really are.
The flavor of these bad mama jammas. Buenísimo. Alright. On second thought, I think I'm gonna pitch this one.
Why?
Makes me feel gnarly. What do you preheat this to? 350.
Do you think this is going to be a big enough pan?
No. They're probably gonna be pretty small cookies.
Yeah, but they expand a little bit.
No.
I'm going to bring this one up too.
Okay.
We should just have 2 racks going.
Yeah.
The bottom one's going, right?
No. Only the top. You can switch it quick.
I don't know how.
Cancel the top. Hit cancel.
Where do you...
Hit cancel.
Bake? 350.
And start.
That was easy.
You hit start.
Yeah.
Alright. But aren't these gonna stick to the pan?
Pan.
What is this? Non-stick silicone baking mat.
That's what we need.
That sounds like...
That's what we want. Ooh, looking good. Let's go with this one. Yeah. Let me just show you something
What?
for the aesthetic.
Oh my gosh, you're a floozy. That's
Bacon
a good
bits.
plan. Bites.
Bacon bites. Wait, bacon bites? No, it's bacon bits, you fucking big
Yeah.
bitch.
Shut the
Bacon bits. Black pepper. Celery salt. I don't know if I'm gonna use that. Cayenne pepper. Curry powder. Italian seasoning. And ground. Alright. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna go with the celery salt. Ground turmeric. I don't think there's any left. Alright, that's all she wrote. Black pepper. Ooh. I think the cookies are done. Ben, I think the cookies are done. What? Curry powder. Ben, I'm just about done here.
Alright, well...
Oh, I put way too much curry on it.
You sure these are done?
Are they?
They're all doughy.
Well, you don't have to eat them right now. Or yet. Alright.
Oh, you did both sides? How's it look?
I didn't cut into it yet. Ooh.
Little rare action.
A little rare action. It's good for the heart. Vegan gains might not exactly appreciate that, but I personally do.
Didn't bug it.
Oh yeah. What are your thoughts?
It was good.
Good? 1 to 10.
1 to 10.
Uh-huh.
Same scaling that I used, or that we just used.
Yeah. $1 cheesesteak, 10 New York stripping in Manhattan.
I'd say 7.5, maybe 8.
I'll take it. Well,
Dude, you gotta show Beth that. You should send a video to Beth, because that ain't good. What a pain in the ass. Whoa,
Oh!
why did you do that? Why would you do that?
Where did you put the detergent?
In the fucking detergent slot. There was blue residue. So I was like, this definitely has to be the right place.
How much did you put in? Clearly a lot.
Think I put in too much?
Maybe a little bit.
Squeaky clean!
We're gonna have nice dishes from here on out.
Shit's gonna be nice. I didn't know how much to put in.
I'll grab some towels.
It really had me fooled there.
All I care about is mopping up the floors. So it doesn't scoot an umbrella.
Yeah, but Beth, this is gonna take forever.
I don't care, man. Get a freaking towel. Mop up, dry the floor, and then throw the towel in the sink.
But Beth,
In the laundry room sink.
it's gonna...
It's not gonna take that long.
I know, but this is gonna happen for like 45 minutes, is it not?
No, it's gonna take you 5 minutes to dry it.
No, but then it's still gonna be pouring out. It's still pouring out, Beth.
Yeah, it's got 40 minutes left. How about we
Dry,
just...
put it on the floor. Are you leaving?
No.
Okay, just dry what's on the floor. You can't let that water sit on the wood. On the cupboards.
Oh my gosh, Beth, this is nonsense, bro. This is why I tell you that we're not qualified for this type of job.
And working hard to teach you.
Beth, it said dishwashing liquid. What the fuck? Where is our dishwashing detergent?
Okay, stand in front of the sink.
This thing?
And open the right side. Yes.
That looks
Yes,
pretty
see?
promising, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Definitely.
Alright.
Alright, you floozy. I'll talk to you
I'm gonna
later.
continue eating my steak.
Alright.
Alright, bye.
You didn't even show Mom our steaks? Or, well, what's left? I can't do this.